Hi, everybody wants to be happier, right? What if I told you that we can create our own happiness using mindfulness? I have prepared a few slides here that I want to share with you while I talk about this workshop that I teach called Mindfulness and Happiness. So my name is Piero Falci, and I teach the mindfulness-based stress reduction program. It's an acclaimed program, and I was trained by the teachers at the Centers for Mindfulness, both at the University of Massachusetts Medical School and at Brown University. I teach a series of programs under the umbrella of mindfulness meditation and mindful living. And today I will be talking about one of these programs, mindfulness and happiness, how we can be happier using mindfulness. And I begin with this little cartoon here. So the guy on the left says, where did you find that? I've been searching for it everywhere. And the little guy holding happiness says, I created it myself. So that's the first thing that we need to have in mind. There's a difference between pursuing happiness and creating our own happiness. And this is one of the things that we're going to focus during the mindfulness and happiness workshop. We can create and increase our own happiness because happiness is a learnable skill. And that's why I like to say that happiness is a choice. Our work is based on the research of Professor Sonia Lyubomirsky of the Department of Psychology at the University of California, Riverside. And she has proposed 12 evidence-based happiness-enhancing strategies. So these practices have been rigorously evaluated in randomized controlled trials. And there's a lot of data to support the adoption of these practices because they're really effective. So our workshop is composed of 6 classes. The sessions are 1 hour each. They're going to happen Fridays between 1:30 and 2:30 p.m. And between class 5 and 6, we're not going to have a class that week because this is going to give us more time for practice. I'll be doing this workshop through a beautiful organization called Sacred Tree House, who offers a series of beautiful programs that really enhance the quality of our lives. So if you aren't interested in the workshop, please go to their website, sacredtreehouse.org, and then you click on our schedule, look for classes and workshops, and then click on mindfulness and happiness, and there you can register, okay? I end this short presentation with 2 quotes from Thich Nhat Hanh, a luminary in the field of mindfulness. He said, the cultivation of happiness is one of the most important skills anyone can ever learn. So there you go. Happiness is a learnable skill, and happiness is available. Please help yourself to it. So if you have any questions, go to my website, pierofalci.com. Send me an email at pierofalci@gmail.com or call me at 954-336-6758. And check my book, A Better Life in a Better World. Can Mindfulness Save Us from Ourselves? This is the book that we're going to be using during the workshop. So I thank you all very much, and I hope you may join me in this mindfulness and happiness workshop. Thank you.